So, dito kami ngayon sa may Longnong. So, there's a cabin cafe. There's Pagi Trail Cafe, Bistro. It's El Korean. Oh, really? Maybe we'll try it other time. Let's go. And then, it's a nice place too. Pictorial. Because there's a lot of trees. There's a lot of people coming here for their relaxation. So there's also Gatos Restaurante.
This is familiar as if I saw it online.
Me too. Gatos Restaurante. Who owns these? Can we see? Oh, so here it's going down the road. There's a lot of people also. Guido's Restaurante. It's like, it sounds familiar, right? And then there's a lot of coffee here.
Ma'am, for waiting na lang po.
Ay, waiting ba? Okay lang. Ano lang. Oh, so maganda nga. So, yan. And then, there's also Touchy Cafe. Kasi may apostrophe. So, we're gonna see if what's here. So, you will walk down the pathway or the road. But I choose this because it's like aesthetic. Uy, medyo malayo ang takukitan. Ang tako ilang ko dadanog. No sino di wada dadanog. Ay parang hindi. Yun yung Korean eh. Sa baba lang niya. Ba't may sasakyan? Paano siya po? Ay, okay, yeah. Asan na? Asan nga eh? Yan, it's a building. Ay. Oh. Tada. Tada. This is the Touch Cafe. So ito yung loob. Kunwari tayo, Lord. Oh. Hello, good afternoon. Ay, ang cute. Ang ganda pala here. Ang ganda yung ambience nila. Makita mo yun sa baba. No? Dito ba tayo? Na? Dito na ba? Ang ganda here. Of middle. Wi-Fi. Okay, so we have our order. Ayan. Saan tayo upo? Mahat pala here. It's a big Touch Cafe. Okay din yung ambience here. Yan.